I showed you for prediction, beginning, middle, end, and I showed you for a present timeline also. To see this video again. Also, please join me in my live classes. I will be putting more videos for bigger tableaus, but you guys need to start practicing the 9 card. Just the way you read 9 card, similarly, you can read a 15 card tableau. So you tell a story with 15 cards. अगर प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन है तो हम बिल्कुल भी कार्ड्स को डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे टाइमलाइन में, बिकॉज हम प्रेजेंट देख रहे हैं. तो ऑल दिस इज, इफ ऑल दिस इज हैपनिंग इन द प्रेजेंट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, then all this is going on right now in their life, right? I have given you the meanings on the cards. Why? Because so that you guys don't have to mug up anything and learn anything. I'm straightening the cards so that you can see the meanings. We make a hypothetical question right now. I shuffle for 10 minutes before I draw the cards. And I always पहले से डिसाइड करती हूँ how I'm going to read, और पहले से डिसाइड करती हूँ कि मैं उसको डिवाइड करूँगी अपने टैबलो को टाइमलाइंस में 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months into the future, या फिर ये पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन देने के लिए निकाला है, या फिर ये पूरा सिर्फ पास्ट बता रहा है, या ये पूरा सिर्फ प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन दिखा रहा है इन विच बिगनिंग एंड मिडल एंड एंड विल बी विजिबल बट ओनली इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो. एंड अगर फ्यूचर की रीडिंग कर रहे हैं तो फिर ये बिगनिंग होगी, ये मिडल होगा और ये एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी होगी. ओके, सो नाउ सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ विल my work situation develop with a certain astro company in the next 5 months. So, and I drew this card. So I'm looking at future. So this could be month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5. So each month you get to see this. Plus, cards that are above will always influence the cards below. Cards that are below will always influence the cards above. So we read it like a mix. Okay, we are going to read all cards. अभी कोई कार्ड गंदा है, अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा, बुरा है, नेगेटिव है, तो मैं उसकी तरफ नहीं देखूंगी, बिकॉज पॉजिटिव कार्ड्स भी हैं. तो नेगेटिव कार्ड भी अपना असर देगा, पॉजिटिव कार्ड भी अपना असर देगा. डू नॉट इग्नोर द कार्ड्स ऑन द टेबल. इफ यू कैन नॉट मैनेज टू रीड मोर देन 15 कार्ड्स, डोंट ड्रॉ बिग टैबलोज. स्टिक टू दिस. This will become a beginning story with influences. This will become the corners which show us what are the main things that are going to happen in that time scale. The center card always shows that it's all about the money, that my work with the astro company is because of the financials that I'm going to make. What financials? Long term se chala raha hai, old money that has been with them, and I want to make sure that I get the money that I deserve. This is the center line. This is the beginning. This is the final. So if I'm reading for future, I read it like a story. All of this, beginning, middle, end. Okay. So for any question, you can draw a 3x5 tableau or a 3x3 9 card box tableau, and you will get an answer very beautifully. I don't do line readings. I do tableaus for just about everything. So for example, in the coming month, my work with them will start and go very well. I will be working hard, but making some tough decisions about how much time I want to give to them. Because Ace of Spades hai, I will still continue the work, but I will make some decisions because important decisions are made. For the long term, obviously. Why is this card connected to this card? Because look at it. 1 right and 2 above, or 2 above and 1 right. It's a knighted card. Okay, Knight. The knight in chess moves 2.5 moves. So this is about the chess. चेस में जो घोड़ा होता है या नाइट होता है वो 2.5 मूव्स किसी भी डायरेक्शन में जा सकता है. यही टेक्निक हम यूज़ करते हैं नाइटिंग में. मिररिंग में क्या होगा? 3 ऑफ डायमंड विल मिरर 6 ऑफ हार्ट्स, एस ऑफ हार्ट्स विल मिरर 3 ऑफ हार्ट्स, 9 ऑफ डायमंड्स विल मिरर 3 ऑफ क्लब्स. ये मिरर करेंगे. इफ यू फोल्ड इट दे विल टच ईच अदर, सो दे मिरर ईच अदर. Okay, like a jack of clubs will mirror the ace of spades, king of clubs will mirror the 2 of spades, because if you fold it like this they'll touch each other. Okay, what card does this one? Knight. 2 to the right up, 2 to the right down, right? 2 knighted cards here, this and this. My work with this company will actually go well. I will actually, after a few months, when I get what I wanted, एक ऑफर आएगा उनकी तरफ से where they will negotiate a better deal. Why they will negotiate a better deal? इसके पहले वाले मंथ में आपको दिख रहा है, बिकॉज विद द बॉस दैट इज वर्किंग, दैट इज देयर, उनके साथ मेरा कुछ चीज़ें मेरे को लगेगा नहीं जम रही, आई डोंट लाइक इट एंड आई वांट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ रीवर्क, आई माइट नॉट वांट टू कंटिन्यू, सो दे विल से प्रसिद्धि डोंट लीव, प्लीज कंटिन्यू, वी हैव एन ओल्ड एसोसिएशन, I'll offer you something that you like and we will renegotiate. So that's how you tell the story, my friends. And watch these videos again and again. Join the live classes to draw these cards. First, learn to draw 3 cards for present, past, and future. Or you can put past, present, future in one tableau. वो भी कर सकते हैं. In which case, beginning होगी past, ये होगा present और ये होगा future. So you can say 2 columns to the left as past, then the center 9 cards as the present, and then 2 columns to the right as future. So you can split it. You can split it like this, you know, or you can split it like this. You can say this shows the past, this shows the present situation, and this shows the future basis this, okay? Or you can read it like a joint storyboard of somebody's life. और अगर डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए बोला जाए तो ये कार्ड्स प्रिडिक्ट नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. सो यू कैन रीड नैरेटिवली, डिस्क्रिप्टिवली, प्रिडिक्टिवली. हु इज गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ टू डू इट? योर क्वेरेंट. दे विल गिव यू द क्वेश्चन और उनके क्वेश्चन के बेसिस पे आप कार्ड्स निकालोगे. कार्ड्स निकालने के पहले, आप शफल करने के पहले डिसाइड करोगे कि आप कार्ड्स को कैसे ड्रॉ करने वाले हो. हाउ यू गोना ड्रॉ द कार्ड्स, यू डिसाइड beforehand, okay? You decide beforehand how many cards I'm going to draw and how I'm going to read. So this is going to be my present situation, all of it. So there is no past in this. It'll still show you some beginning, how the thing is going on and what is projected for the future, but it actually talks present. Be very, very specific and clear. Do practices with me and practicals with me in our live classes. That will happen twice a month or sometimes even thrice a month, depending on requirement. You will get the recordings of live classes also. First, learn to do a 9-card tableau properly for descriptive, predictive, and narrative style. Same with a 3 into 5. Then you can obviously, once you become good at this, you can add 2 more and make it a 3 into 7. So 3 into 7 will become, 21-card tableau, right? So you give more cards on the table to tell the story, and this is good for predictive reading. If you want to read for the next 5 to 6 months, you can split it into every month beginning, then going ahead into the future. If you're reading for present situation, 3 into 3 or 3 into 5 is amazing. If you're reading for past,